Hi there, my name is Mohammed, and today we are going to continue learning together physical and chemistry terms in English and Icelandic. So, let's begin.
Rannsaka, rannsaka, investigate, investigate, rotent, rotent, proton, proton, room, room, space, space, sætistala, sætistala, atomic number, atomic number, saltsýra, saltsýra, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid, samandekt, samandekt, combination, combination, sameind, sameind, molecule, molecule, segulmagn, segulmagn, magnetism, magnetism, segul, segul, magnetic, magnetic, segulsvið, segulsvið, magnetic field, magnetic field, skammtafræði, skammtafræði, quantum mechanics, quantum mechanics, skýringarmynd, skýringarmynd, diagram, diagram, kraftvægi, kraftvægi, torque, torque, rafspenna, rafspenna, voltage, voltage, spennubreytir, spennubreytir, transformer, transformer, stærð, stærð, size, size, stöðuorka, stöðuorka, potential energy, potential energy, suðumark, suðumark, boiling point, boiling point, takmarkaða afstæðiskenningin, takmarkaða afstæðiskenningin, special relativity, special relativity, þrýstingur, þrýstingur, pressure, pressure,